Hello mga kainday, steam tofu naman tayo today. So ayan, napakadali lang siyang gawin. So steam tofu, 8 to 10 minutes. So while steaming, tayo ay gagawa ng sauce. Saute minced garlic and then white parts of spring onion. And then sa pampalasa, naglagay ako ng soy sauce, rice vinegar, tantyahin nyo na lang po, at saka itong spicy chili crisp. So ayan, haluin lang siya ng mabuti, and then sugar to balance the taste, mix, and then add some sesame seed. Kung meron kayong toasted sesame seed, mas maigi. So ayan, toppings na natin sa ating tofu. Ready to serve na. Thanks for watching.